Most people get this wrong. They assume finding friends or contacts on X is complicated, but the surprising truth is that X makes it straightforward if you know where to look. First, open the X app on your phone or desktop. Tap on your profile, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to Privacy and Safety and look for Discoverability and Contacts. You won't believe what happens next here. You can enable the option to sync contacts from your phone. Once synced, X will show you which of your contacts already have X accounts. You can also search manually. Use the search bar to type in a friend's name, email, or phone number if they've linked it to their account. X will suggest profiles that match your contacts. For more advanced searches, you can explore lists or mutual followers to reconnect with people you know. Keep in mind, X respects privacy settings. If someone has chosen not to be discoverable via email or phone, they won't appear in your contact search. Also, regularly updating your sync contacts ensures the app reflects any new additions or changes. In conclusion, finding your contacts on X is easier than most people think. Enable sync, check your privacy settings, and use search strategically to reconnect with friends, colleagues, or collaborators. Subscribe for more easy social media guides to make the most of your apps.